All right, we have a 2023 Bolt EUV Premier. This color is in silver flare metallic. You can kind of see like over here when the sun's hitting it, you get kind of the orange hues. Looks a little golden too. Very nice. All right, moving on to the engine bay. Super clean. All right, let's close it up. Get a good look at that color. Moving on to the trunk. Here we got the rear floor mats. You got some more space down here, and then even more space under that. Right there, you can see Super Cruise. This car has Super Cruise. Let's go to the back seats. Very nice. It's kind of got a cool pattern. See with the triangles. Some USBs here. Cup holders. We also got rear heated seats too, both sides. Awesome. Here you got the Super Cruise. Infotainment screen. This screen also has a screen protector on it. So under this, it's like a brand new screen as well, which is awesome. But we just kept it on. Climate control settings. You got wireless chargers, sport mode. Here's the gear shifter. Center compartment, some more storage down here. Awesome. Oh yeah, good thing to mention, we also have ventilated seats, and we also got heated seats. It's awesome. Cool. I really wish it was a sunnier day. You'd really see the hues come out, orange and red, but it's a little cloudy today. It's no problem. Here's the charge door, charge port. All right. There you have it.